Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can block porn website on your Chrome, because sometimes we give our mobile to others and they can easily access porn website on the Chrome. So if we want to block porn website on the Chrome, so in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So I will show you a setting. After that setting you can easily block porn website from your Google Chrome. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Chrome and you will see three dot on top right. Click on here and then you will see setting options. Click on here and then you will see privacy and security option. Click on here and then you will see use secure DNS. Click on and here select choose another provider and then you will see arrow options. Click on here and then click on clean browsing family filter. So after this setting you can block porn website or bad website from your mobile phone. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.